What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is Monday morning. The weather's not so good, but it is not freezing cold. So some updates for you. We haven't really been filming a whole lot of complete shit the last few days. So we did get the trailer lighting wired. We got the trailer we got the trailer hitch on there. So we're gonna be picking up the trailer this morning at about 9:30. Ship box has been ready to go the whole time after we did the fuses. You guys saw that video. We got a whole bunch more trash. Tasha's at her appointment in the Challenger, and the Corvette is back at James's. So I know I said on Facebook that we're gonna bring it here. My mom was gonna pick it up. Well, needless to say, we put the car completely back together, and I will insert that clip in a second. So we put the whole car back together, topped off the coolant, checked the oil, transmission fluid, everything, power steering fluid. Problem is, we thought it was leaking coolant. When we parked it down here on the street, right there in front of the canyon, there's like a little spot of coolant that was leaking. So we figured out that maybe it's a clamp. Done. Put the hitch on the truck, went to AutoZone, got a clamp and a ball hitch and stuff that we needed anyway, so that's not a big deal. We get back here, put the clamp on, start the car, and it immediately starts pushing fluid out of the radiator end tank where it meets the actual aluminum radiator part. Well, fuck me, right? What's up, guys? So we didn't do a lot of filming yesterday. Damn it. Mainly because we worked on the cars all day just to find out that the end tank on the Corvette leaks coolant. It's a reasonably quick leak. So we're not going to be taking it to Nashville to give to my mom, who was going to buy the car, which I think I didn't really post about it either. I just put in there what I put on Facebook. I was going to store it, and then I said, hey, it's coming back, it's going to Florida. Somebody was like, oh, Cleetus and cars. Well, I mean, that would be a good option at this point. Yeah. Because we don't care if we leak coolant then, but yeah, we got all the center console pieces back in. All the trim is in. Looks really good. These pieces are back in here. So it looks pretty good now.
Yeah, they're fucking cold.
Just to figure out that, you know, again, that it needs a whole radiator. So we'll show you guys where it's leaking at real quick. So we originally thought that down there's a clamp to the low radiator hose, so we moved one clamp, put another one on it. But let's see if we can see it. Right there, you can see kind of the wetness maybe right there. And that little spot right there, that's where the end tank attaches. That's where it's leaking from. Pretty much half of that seal is leaking. So we gotta check her out. That's actually pretty good. Well, we didn't let it run for long enough, so this one's fully checked.
Yeah, we checked it yesterday, remember?
Yeah, because everything's full. But yeah, so she's going back to she's going back to James's house to get stored for a month or two. So I gotta call my mom. She gets to the airport, right? 10 minutes before I call. Her flight's gonna leave in like an hour. So thank God it didn't take us long. Let her know so she doesn't get on the plane for no reason unless she feels like coming to visit. I was like, holy shit, man. We didn't film a lot of it because we're in a big hurry. The biggest problem was I was so friggin' mad, man. So friggin' mad, guys. I don't even really, I was like, you know what, I'm done with it. Park it. So we left it for the night, brought it back to James's house. So in about a month or so, you guys are gonna forget all about this car because it's never on the channel anyway. And me and Will are gonna make a plan and come down here, fix the radiator, put it back together, or put a new radiator in it, I should say, and whatever parts we need to, and then we're gonna try to drive it to Colorado from there, or maybe even have my mom come pick it up then after we fix it. So that being said, this morning again, We got a lot of stuff going on still, but I'm gonna insert the clip of us putting the car together like right now.
You can see, like, if you stand here, like, I can hold this from back here. Just let this go. There you go.
The stick falls down in.
Oh, you're
How many fucking idiots does it take to break into a Corvette?
You're probably going to want to use that piece of the stick that's poking out. Yeah.
Oh my god, you figured it out. Look, it's unlocked.
I
fault.
was thinking, I'm like, man, how am I gonna push the button? Because the buttons are like hard as fuck to push. That was fun. Alright. So, hope you guys enjoyed that little clip of us putting the Corvette together, a couple time lapses and everything. My dog thinks we're gonna leave him at the shelter because he hasn't eaten in like 2 days, but he'll be alright. What you doing, buddy? What you doing? You think we're gonna leave you behind, dude? We're not. We're gonna take you with us. We'd already got rid of you. Yeah. I'll never get rid of my retarded ass Louie dog. You old crackhead looking motherfucker. Yeah. Come on. Hey, come on. Come on. What you doing? Come on. There you go. Yeah. Get down. Thank you. And then we, of course, got the cute little Holly baby. Yeah, buddy. Here you go. Want the GoPro? Here, take it. Yeah. She's so freaking cute, man. We'll kind of catch up with you after everything's done. Everything's straightened out. And we'll go from there. Happy birthday, Tanner, since today is your birthday. We might be going to dinner tonight, too. I don't fucking know. We gotta pick up her parents at the airport later on tonight, too. So, this is gonna be a whole mix of crazy clips and stuff that are just gonna get shoved together from the last few days. Sorry I didn't upload, every like couple days like I've been saying I want to. But there really hasn't been much to really record and film just because we're really reorganizing all the same shit. Alright guys, so we picked up the trailer from U-Haul. We had to back it from all the way down there. We had to parallel park in between that trailer and this one because the hitch was facing the other way. So we had to back up all the way over here with the truck. I mean, the trailer is literally the same size as the truck. So we got to follow the link real quick, so we'll be back with you in a second. Just gonna check everything out and make sure it's good to go. But as you guys can see, everything's pretty good. Got my chains crossed and everything. My little brake thing hooked up, good to go. It's got a little brake master cylinder. It's kind of like an Army Humvee trailer, man. And then we'll just kind of tidy up the wires there for what we need. But you guys can see the truck is attached to the trailer. Alright guys, so we picked up the trailer from U-Haul. We had to back it from all the way down there. We had a parallel parking between that trailer and this one because the hitch was facing the other way. So we had to back up all the way over here with the truck. I mean, the trailer is literally the same size as the truck. So we got to follow the link real quick, so we'll be back with you in a second. Just gonna check everything out and make sure it's good to go. But as you guys can see, everything's pretty good. Got my chains crossed and everything. My little brake thing hooked up, good to go. It's got a little brake master cylinder. It's kind of like an Army Humvee trailer, man. And then we'll just kind of tidy up the wires there for what we need. But you guys can bring your coffee.
Let me get some more coffee then and put some shoes on.
Jesus Christ.
Hey, I'm a woman, I'm allowed to.
Oh yeah, okay. Alright guys, so we made it back to the house with the trailer and we are back on the GoPro because, you know, we forgot it, so we had to record on the old Galaxy S10. But as you can see, nothing fell off. I feel like our trailer hitch is securely mounted underneath there. Considering, let's check it out. Let's see if it's all bent up and broken. And it looks like everything seems to be working out good. No gaps or anything. Yep, she's good to go. And we got all this extra I mean, I don't think we're gonna be taking any turns that wide, but this thing's heavy as fuck. So hooking it up was a pain in the ass because you only get this little nub down here. You don't even get like a leg. So I think we're just gonna keep it attached to the truck. But as you guys saw earlier, it's pretty spacious. All the lights work, so we hooked up the light harness right. Yeah, I mean, pretty straight too. Only took about a second trying to flipping fuck it over in a short ass road, and I can't even turn that car around in this road. So let's see, we got any loose lug nuts? Definitely going to check the tires look like they're in pretty good shape. We did get the tire and wheel package thing. It was like $5, so we don't have to worry about getting a flat tire on the road. Damn, that's boom. We have to worry about getting a flat tire or anything on the road. They'll just come and fix it or find us a way to fix it. Send somebody to us to change it, something like that. And we also got the damage waiver. So if we, you know, run it over curbs and poke a big hole in the side of it and shit. Hope I just stopped recording for some reason. I don't know. But yeah, we got the damage waiver and everything. So we ain't got to worry about shit, really. I think once we start actually loading it, we're gonna back it up a little bit more. That way, when we get ready to do the tool cart, we can just kind of lift it up in there because, you know, on these they don't come with a ramp or anything. Do you think Tanner has a ramp?
I don't know, it's Tanner. I can ask.
Like a solid ramp that's 3 feet wide, maybe? Because he does have a motorcycle.
Yeah.
So we're gonna see if Tanner or somebody has a ramp real quick, so we don't have to unload the whole tool cart or lift it because this bitch is heavy. This right here probably weighs, oh Jesus, yeah, I don't know. I mean, I can lift it, so it probably doesn't weigh like 6 billion pounds, but it probably weighs a good 200-300 pounds anyways, because the cart itself is pretty light, but the tools in it are heavy. So we'll go from there. Washer and dryer, pretty light. So I think we're gonna do, we're gonna have to kind of think about how we want to pack this. Obviously, heavy to light in the rear, 60-40 split, something like that. That's what they recommend for the old load heavier in front. That's what she said.